58 people at Fort Tannen will remain in police custody for 7 days to allow police complete investigations.
A Molo court ordered the detention of Bernard Shitiabai and Cleophas Shimanyula for 7 working days to allow investigating officers finalize their report.
Molo Chief Magistrate Samuel Wahome in his ruling said the application by the investigating officer had merit and directed that the suspects be availed in court on October 22nd.
Completion of the investigations is merited and it is hereby allowed. The suspects shall remain in custody at Ruiani Police Station, but their relatives and counsel must be given the right of access at reasonable hours. The suspects shall be produced in court on 22nd day of October 2018 for further orders.
Deputy President William Ruto was on Friday